What's up, guys? Look at this crappie. I just dropped the minnow down just below me and he's sitting right. I'm on fish. It's always good when you find fish, but right below me. Nice size crappie. Let's see if I can do that again. Just about heading in home when I had a little problem here. Just took a second to stop, but channel's right over there. So stop, set the anchor, and drop the minnow straight down and pull the crappie right up. Let's see how quick this will happen again. Pretty cool. Nice size crappie too. There we go. Another nice size crappie. Nice size crap. Man, if I had time, I'd have a fish fry going on here. He's real warm, so the water's definitely warmed up down there. We're early June. Size crappie. Just thinking about heading over there, but they're still here. Well, there's one, there's two, or there's two, there's three.